What is the shape, Arvi?
Heart.
Heart. This is
Heart.
heart. What is the color, Arvi?
Red.
Red. This is red heart. Right, Arvi?
Yeah.
Yes. What is the shape, Arvi?
Heart.
Again, heart. What is the color, Arvi?
Blue.
Blue. Blue heart. Good job, Arvi. What is the shape, Arvi?
Square.
Square, right?
Yes.
Square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yeah.
What is the color, Arvi?
Black.
Black. Square,
Has 4 sides.
4 sides. Good job, Arvi. What is the shape, Arvi?
Square.
Again, square. What is the color, Arvi?
Blue.
Blue. Good job, Arvi. What is the shape, Arvi?
Circle.
Circle. Good job. What is the color?
Purple.
Purple. Good girl, Arvi. Purple circle. Right, Arvi?
Yeah.
What is the shape, Arvi?
Circle.
Circle. What is the color?
Green.
Green. Green circle. Good job, Arvi. What is the shape, Arvi?
Triangle.
Triangle. What is the color?
Orange.
Orange. Good job, Arvi. What is the shape?
Triangle.
Triangle. What is the color?
White.
White. Good job, Arvi. What is the shape, Arvi?
Oval.
What is the color?
Pink.
Pink. Arvi's favorite color? Pink. What is the shape?
Oval.
What is the color?
Brown.
Brown. You are right, Arvi. What is the shape, Arvi?
Star.
Star. What is the color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yellow star. What is the shape, Arvi?
Star.
Star. What is the color?
Gray.
Gray. Gray star. Good job, Arvi.